Sometimes, life feels heavier than we can bear. Every day seems like a battle. You wake up with hope, but by evening, you feel drained. You wonder if anyone notices your pain, or if all your patience is worth anything. Today, I want you to hear this clearly. Allah sees every tear, every struggle, every silent prayer. He has not forgotten you. Your hardships are not random, and they are not endless. A reward is waiting for you, even if you cannot see it yet. You might be facing challenges that feel impossible. Maybe your heart carries sadness, your mind carries worry, and your body carries fatigue. It can feel lonely, like no one understands. But in these moments, there is hidden growth. Every test is shaping you into a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Even when it hurts, even when the night feels endless, Allah is preparing something beautiful for you. Something that will make every struggle meaningful. Think about the times when things did not go as planned. You were patient, you prayed quietly, and you continued despite fear or doubt. Those moments were not wasted. They were seeds being planted. Allah's rewards often arrive in ways we cannot imagine. Sometimes through unexpected opportunities, sometimes through people who bring joy, sometimes through peace that fills the heart when least expected. Your patience is not unnoticed, and your faith is not small. There will be moments when you feel tired of waiting. You may wonder why your prayers are unanswered, or why life seems unfair. In those moments, remember this: Allah's timing is perfect. What seems like a delay is often protection. What feels like loss is often preparation for something greater. Trust is not easy, but it is powerful. Your heart can hold hope even in the darkest times. Keep going. Keep praying. Keep believing. Relief is closer than you think. Every struggle you face has a purpose. It teaches humility, patience, and reliance on Allah. It makes you see what truly matters. It cleanses the heart from doubts and fills the soul with gratitude. When your trials feel heavy, remember they are temporary. When you feel hopeless, remember Allah's mercy is endless. Your endurance is being noticed, your prayers are being answered, and your journey is not in vain. Now, imagine a day when your worries are lifted. A day when you look back and realize, every hardship led you to growth, wisdom, and a deeper connection with Allah. That day is coming. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but it is coming. Keep walking with patience. Keep speaking to Allah from your heart. Keep trusting that He knows what you cannot see. Your relief is near, your reward is near, and your faith is your greatest strength. Before you go, remember this: your struggles are ending. Allah is rewarding your patience. Your prayers are heard. Your heart is seen. Hold on to hope, and let it guide you through the darkest times. Share this message with someone who needs it today. Let them feel the reassurance that Allah is with them. And if this message touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more reminders that strengthen your soul. Your journey is sacred, your reward is real, and your faith is powerful.